Welcome! If you've ever wanted to filter your Instagram comments by a specific date range, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking for a particular conversation, tracking engagement, or just curious about your comment history, Instagram's latest update makes this process easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can quickly find the comments you're looking for. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap it to open up the menu options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform, from posts and likes to comments and more. Now, tap on Comments. This will bring up a list of all the comments you've made across Instagram, organized in one place for easy access. At the top of this section, you'll see the option to Filter by Date. Tap on it to start narrowing down your search. Choose Date Range from the filter options. This is where you'll set the specific time frame you want to search within. First, select your start date, the earliest day you want to include. Then, pick your end date, the last day you want in your search. Once you've set both dates, tap Apply. Instagram will now show you only the comments you made within that selected date range. It's a simple way to review your activity, revisit old conversations, or keep track of your engagement over time. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can filter your Instagram comments by any date range you choose. Give it a try the next time you need to find something specific in your comment history, and make the most out of Instagram's powerful new features. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling!